Today, I want to talk about advanced peeling techniques and when it's okay to start performing them. I understand that many of you are scouring the internet and see those pictures. You know the ones, we have them on our website too, where the skin is just peeling off in sheets. Yes, it is an amazing sight, and I can understand you're wanting that and the results that come along with it. But that's not a beginner's peel. It just isn't. Those faces didn't peel like that the first time they applied a peel. Hopefully, they followed our directions and started with only 1 or 2 layers of TCA and then progressed over the course of several months. Or maybe they started with a milder acid and worked up to a layered peel. That's perfect. We all want amazing results. Just remember the golden rule: slow and steady wins the race. When you're doing chemical peels, you should never be in a hurry to get to the strongest peel. And actually, you can get amazing results with more frequent peels that are a bit less aggressive. Never forget that. A series of 6 to 8 glycolic or mandelic peels will give you very little downtime and a huge transformation at the end of that journey. Now, I'm not saying that you have to start with the milder hydroxy acids and work up from there. Many times, your lines are a bit more advanced or your scars require more strength. That's okay. I almost always suggest starting with a TCA 13% at 1 to 2 layers for those folks. Or if someone has really problematic acne with cysts, I'll start them directly on the Jessners. Here is how your progression should go with the layerable acids. Let's use TCA 13 as our example. You start with your 13% at 1 to 2 layers. Each month, you can add on 1 additional layer, so you work diligently to get up to 5 layers. Then you have some options. You can add more layers. Yes, if you have more 13% solution at home and want to add more than 5 layers, you can. There's no rule against it at all. But once you've exhausted that stock, you may want to move up to the 20% though. Then start again at 1 layer. We find that 5 layers is a great place to stop and move up to the next percentage. Or how about layering in another acid? Let's say along with those fine lines, you have some hyperpigmentation that's being really stubborn. You know what'll work great with that? Jessners. You want to layer Jessners and TCA during the same peel session. But what if you've never used Jessners before? You could have a reaction. So what should you do? You should do 1 or 2 Jessners peels all by itself. Yes, do a Jessners peel. And once you feel really confident with that acid, then you can do a peel with both of them. Of course, we have a video for that, so be sure to watch that walkthrough here. The most layered peels are Jessners, TCA, and Dream Peel. Each of these is a standalone peel with excellent results. So, before you think about combining 1, 2, or all 3 of them, make sure you've used each individually first. Here's another advanced peeling method. Adding the Dream Peel onto either the Jessner or TCA will really boost your results. The high retinol percentage in the Dream Peel will make your skin peel more aggressively, giving you that deep flaking you're looking for. It also seems to speed up the flaking, with most being done a couple of days earlier than without the Dream Peel. But wait, before we add on that next peel, we want to use it by itself 1 or 2 times. Right. Once you do your Dream Peel a time or 2 and test it on your skin, then you're ready to add it on as a finishing layer. So many of our customers absolutely love doing this. Now you're getting it. One last advanced peeling method for you. You can do a Jessner plus a TCA plus a Dream Peel all in one setting. First, you must do each separately, safety first. Here's a little rundown of how that application would go. Wash your skin, strip it with Prep B, and apply your Jessners. Wait 5 minutes as always. Now apply your next layer. Is that another Jessner? Or you can start applying your TCA. Wait 5 minutes. Now, if you've moved up that far, you can apply another TCA. Wait 5 minutes and apply your Dream Peel. There's not any rinsing here because Jessners works best when it sits on the skin for at least 4 hours. So we're gonna leave everything on for 6 to 8 hours as our Dream Peel directions state. Next morning, you can rinse them all off and apply your healing aids like our Essentials Healing Blend or Emu Oil. Remember that when you do a Dream Peel finishing layer, you can feel a bit more irritated in a couple days from the retinol. My face tends to feel warm and is a bit pink for the first 2 days. That is perfectly normal, so no need to worry there. It will calm down after a day or two at most. And by that time, your skin's getting ready to peel like it has never peeled before. I hope this has helped you understand how to progress to the more advanced methods of peeling and when to know when you should wait a bit longer or try a different acid on its own first. As always, we're here to help. Reach out to us if you have any more questions about our certified peels. Have a great day.